A tiny seed, cradled by the warm earth, dreams of a towering future under the gentle caress of sunlight. Sunlight filters through the leaves, painting a whimsical canvas of hope and dreams. In a burst of imagination, the seed's dream unfolds. A colossal tree reaching for the boundless sky. A tiny seed bravely sprouts, its delicate form pushing through the dark soil, reaching for the warmth of the sun. Suddenly, a fierce wind sweeps through the garden, threatening to tear the seedling from its fragile hold on life. Clinging desperately to the earth, the seedling trembles, its tiny leaves fluttering in defiance against the storm. A friendly ladybug lands nearby, offering words of encouragement to the struggling seedling. Hold on tight. You're stronger than you think. Under the cloak of night, relentless rain lashes the garden, overwhelming a fragile seedling. Amidst the storm, a seed wonders, will it ever grow tall? A wise old snail whispers words of encouragement. Patience, little one. Every drop of rain helps you grow, even if you can't see it yet. As dawn breaks, the rain fades, revealing a garden glistening with renewed hope. Weeks drift by as a tiny seed awakens, pushing through the dark earth to unfurl as a fragile sapling. A wave of discouragement washes over the little sapling as it eyes its verdant neighbors. An earthworm whispers words of wisdom. Everyone grows at their own pace. What matters is that you're growing stronger every day. The sapling embraces its own rhythm, finding solace in the earthworm's words and accepting its unique journey. Against the awakening dawn, a small sapling stands defiant, its verdant leaves reaching towards the heavens, a symbol of hope and resilience. Having weathered the storms of doubt and nature's fury, it emerges stronger, its roots anchored deep in the earth. The garden's creatures gather in silent celebration, their presence a testament to the beauty of its arduous journey. As the sun ascends, its golden rays envelop the sapling, heralding a future brimming with promise and endless possibilities. The end.